Hello guys, welcome to another video from Sky and Max channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about pros and cons of money making apps. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and at the end of the video make sure you leave a comment and tell us what you'd like to know more about these apps, and make sure you get to watch the other great videos that we've uploaded on this channel. So there are tons of apps that actually pay you to do some certain stuff for them. So I'm gonna start with the pros. So the first pro is that you earn money without even wasting energy and other stuff like that. Most of them, they'll pay you just to answer some few questions. They'll just even take about 10 minutes of your time and you're paid. So the second pro is that you don't have to invest anything. You don't have to invest money or anything like that. You just have to download them on Google Play Store. Then you give them your banking details or your mobile money account details, and then you actually get to start earning money from them. I mean, that's it. Like, I think that's basically it. There is no other pros apart from that. So I'm gonna get straight to the cons. So the first con I'm gonna talk about is that these apps, they only work depending on where you are. Like they're actually limiting. They don't work in remote locations. Like if you are very remote from the actual destination of where these apps were actually created for. So yeah, so that's the first con. You either not even get your money, you can actually reach the threshold of withdrawing, and you won't receive your money basically because you'll be too remote from the location, and that's basically it. So doesn't mean they don't pay money. Actually, it's because of you and where you are actually. So that's why actually I'm actually that there are apps which I'm actually using. So I'm almost going to reach the threshold for one app. If it actually works, I get to withdraw here in Zambia. The app actually works in Ghana, in the Philippines, the countries for the Philippines, Koreans, in the US. This app actually works, and I'm trying it out in Zambia. That is the con about these apps. The second con that I'm going to talk about is that these apps actually, most of them, they pay through PayPal. I think that's a very big con actually if you're somebody who's living in Zambia, because PayPal is not that much of a legal service to be receiving money. You can actually send money through PayPal, but you won't actually get to withdraw it. Though some people are actually withdrawing. I don't know the type of magic they are using to withdraw money from PayPal, but if you're watching this video and you are able to withdraw money through PayPal in Zambia without using any illegal means, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below so that I get to make a video about it, so that people get to have an opportunity to open an account with PayPal. Yeah, so that's the second con. So yeah, so that's it about these. Those are actually the pros and cons about these apps. So just go to Google Play Store and download any app. You can download eazy. It's a betting app. They pay directly through your mobile money account. That is, it has a reputation. It's in Zambia. So if you're watching this video and you're using and you have eazy, make sure you leave your referral link. Maybe somebody can open an account using your referral link, then you get to earn a commission out of it. So yeah, so that's it basically, guys. Make sure you go to Google Play Store and download any money making app that suits your activities and anything like that, and get to make money out of them. Yeah, so guys, so that's it for this video. So make sure you subscribe and leave a comment, and stay tuned for other videos of how to make money online. See you guys.